Question 1. Water is free from pathogen, taste, odor, toxic, radioactive materials are known as option C. Potable water, clean water. Question 2. Water is with domestic and industrial waste with pathogenic microorganism is called answer contaminated water and or polluted water. Question 3. Type of disease related to water. Answer there are 4 types. Waterborne disease, water-wash disease, water-based disease and water-related insect vector disease. Question 4. A disease caused by ingestion of contaminated water which contain pathogenic microorganism is called option B. Waterborne disease. Question 5. In waterborne disease, pathogen derived from option A. Human and animal feces. Question 6. Which of the following bacteria are waterborne disease pathogen? Option D. All. Yersinia enterocolitica, Vibrio cholera and Pseudomonas aeruginosa are waterborne pathogen disease. Question 7. Which of the following viruses are responsible for waterborne disease? Option D. All. Rotavirus, hepatitis A and B and enterovirus are responsible for waterborne disease. Question 8. A waterborne pathogen which infects gastrointestinal tract is called option A. Diarrheal waterborne disease. Question 9. Which of the following are example of non-diarrheal waterborne disease? Option D. All. Typhoid fever, hepatitis and polio. Question 10. A disease caused by poor person hygiene is called as option B. Water wash disease. Question 11. Example of water wash disease. Option D. All. Acute respiratory infection, skin and eye disease and soil transmitted are example of water wash disease. Question 10. Which of the following factors are responsible for waterborne disease? Option D. All. Flooding, high temperature and sea level high are the factors responsible for waterborne disease. Question 30. Which pathogen transmitted through contaminated soil? Option D. Option A. Helminthus intestinal worm is a pathogen transmitted to contaminated soil. Question 40. Which of the following protozoa are responsible for waterborne disease? Option D. All. Ectoamoeba species, Entamoeba histolytica and Cryptosporidium purpureum are the species which are responsible for waterborne disease. Question 50. Which of the following waterborne disease caused by protozoa? Option D. All. Microsporidiasis, cyclosporiasis and cryptosporidiasis are the disease which caused by protozoa.